What's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be showing you how to make these really easy kids Adirondack chairs. And they're extremely comfortable. And they're perfect for your stuffed animals.
Yes, they're comfortable.
Amazing!
Alright, so we're going to go ahead. Alright, it's recording. Alright, let's go ahead and go over our supplies that we're going to need. We have our 18 gauge 1 1/4 inch brad nails. We have our brad gun attached to our air compressor. We have 2.5 inch screws. We have some wood glue. And then we have this digital angleizer. We're going to go ahead and set the backing to 100 degrees. We have another chair that we built and 100 degrees is really comfortable. And we have our drill to pre-drill for these screws. For the wood, we have everything here is cut at 18 inches. These are 1x4s. We need 7 pieces that are 18 inches long. We have 2x3s, and these are also cut at 18 inches long. And you need 4 total. So let's go ahead and start piecing this together. So I'm going to go ahead and set it at 100 degrees. So you can see here, we have that set to 100 degrees. So that's what the chair is going to look like.
Dad, does comfortable mean wood?
No, comfortable means it's...
So why did I make a chair out of wood? That will not feel comfortable for that baby.
No, it's very comfortable. Ready?
Well, then let's try and sit in it. Let's try and sit in it.
Yeah, you guys will see.
It would not feel comfortable.
What? You serious?
That does not look like a chair.
Well, you'll see. Sometimes you can't see right away, but once it's put together, you'll understand. What we're going to do is measure out about 10.5 inches, and then we're gonna bring this up to there. Okay, you can see that's at that 100 degree mark that we set earlier. And so we're gonna go ahead and drill 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, that's loud. Oh, so it shifted a little bit, but we only have 1 screw in so far, so we can adjust it.
We have a ton of screws.
There we go.
A ton of them. A baby chair. A baby chair. A baby chair.
Okay, so you can see there, we're right at 100 degrees. And now you can go ahead and drill 2 more screws there. Okay, and 1 more here. Ready? Fish. Good. And we'll put 2 more screws.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, push it. And then 1 more. All right. So there's that. That's 1 leg. Okay?
Ooh. Okay, now I'm getting. This is starting to look like a table. Finally.
A bench? Starting to look like a bench?
You're making a bench?
Yeah.
Not a table?
No, a bench. All right, so we have, this is gonna be the right, if you're facing the table, this is the bench, this is the right leg. You can see how the screws are on the inside, so you can't see it from the outside. Now you have to mirror this, which means that when you make the left leg, this piece will be on the inside. So you're gonna flip that around here. All right. So you can see kind of what it looks like there. All right, so you guys have to pay attention to this part because here's the first leg that we built. And if you make it the exact same way, these screws are going to be facing out on the other side. So what it should look like is this is the, if you're facing the bench, this is the right side or left side. And then if you're facing the bench, this is the right side. You can see how it's mirroring each other. So that's what it should look like. You should have two pieces like that. So now that we have our legs together, I'm going to go ahead and add our platform for the seating area. So I'll just put a little bit of wood glue onto here and use the brad nails to secure them. Use this as a spacer. So there's the platform. Now all we have to do is attach the back. So for the first backing, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a spacer and then attach it there. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so for the back, I decided to go with a little bit more of a spacing. I'm using 2 of these paint sticks as a spacer. So, hey, have some glue here. Okay. We're done putting this together. I have the standard 18-inch version here, and then this one we cut the planks at 24 inches, so at 2 feet. Process is exactly the same. The legs are exactly the same. All that's left to do now, we're going to use this plastic wood filler, natural color, and it's stainable, to fill these little brad holes. After that's done, you just have to sand this. Then you can go ahead and stain it if you choose, or you can go ahead and paint it. So we'll go ahead and do that and show you what it looks like after it's done. So these holes are already filled with the wood filler, and I did the base here, and then I'll show you guys how I do this as well. Let's see. So you just squeeze a little bit of this out onto your finger. After you're done filling all the holes, you just sand everything down and it'll look nice and clean. This one here that Olive's sitting on is 18 inches wide, and then the one that Sloan is sitting on is 24 inches wide. So, how do you guys like it? Pretty comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the angle makes it really nice, even though there's no cushions, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Bring this
It's
to
like
camping or something.
Yeah.
Those big chairs that are like that. But
Yes, the big Adirondack chairs we made for the yard, but they're miniature for kids. Yeah. What's up, Gray? What do you think of those chairs?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Thumbs up. 1 thumbs up. It's pretty good.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs
Three
up.
thumbs up.
3 thumbs up. 4 thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Pretty comfortable, Gray?
Yeah, I think
Could you take a nap in it? No?
I would.
All right.
Okay, I'm awake. Did I miss any
okay.
parts?
Nope. All right. Guess we're saying goodbye.
What?
Peace out. See you later.
See you later, chunk kids.
See you later.
Peace out.
Hi, thank you for watching.
That was a good peace out. There.
What did you say, son?
Bye. Thank you for watching the Chunk Kids.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Peace out.
I want to see them later.